BitNorm. BitNorm is the world's most comprehensive software suite to help traders and investors navigate through the real-time data of cryptocurrency space. Well, BitNorm's real-time analytics allows you to get a full overview of the current social, technical, and trading signals across the decentralized web. AI engine. This enables the users to maximize return on investments. Well, now there are some problems that might occur with the investing on. Investors or traders have to maintain multiple accounts on multiple platforms to have an overview of their trading signals, crypto and also their latest crypto news and blogs and forums to make informed decisions. But there is no integrated environment that allows this. Well, so finally, BitNorm has a solution for the investors about it. So now BitNorm solves this problem by combining all of this much needed functionality and data into one simple to use ecosystem platform. Well, to make it even better, BitNorm gives real-time data and a social collaboration platform so that their users are always first to get the best trading or investment deals. Well, now they have their technology which are being used for the welfare of their users. Well, their crypto intelligence ecosystem connects the dots across validated data sets and the blockchains built on highly secure and performant services. Well, they actually aim to connect as close to the exchanges as possible and to make their AI produced weights available to partners and customers as their deals. Well, so now the question comes that why should someone use BitNorm, right? So about that, BitNorm's cryptocurrency investors and traders have to maintain multiple accounts on multiple platforms. So now they have to use multiple accounts to have an overview of their trading signals and latest cryptocurrency news and blogs and forums to make informed decisions. But there is actually no integrated environment that allows this. So finally, here comes the BitNorm, which actually combines all of this much needed functionality and data into one simple to use ecosystem platform. Well, to make it even better, BitNorm gives real-time data and a social collaboration platform so that its users are always first to get the best trading investment deals. Well, so that's you got the point that BitNorm has actually the most potential to give you the right information about your investment decisions, but then you have to go with their system, because if you have to come up with their forum, and then you have to rely on their sophisticated data analysis and their early detection of emerging cryptocurrencies prices and trends, which will eventually give you the opportunity to cash in on favorable market investments. So yeah, Bitnorm is the right place for your investment, and it is worth your time because this is going to get you earn a lot and lots of rewards from the blockchain industry. So that's all about Bitnorm today. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck for your investment, and keep investing online, and invest wise, right? So if you snooze, then you lose. So you have to keep up with the trend, and you have to get all the information, all the data analyzed for you, and then you can take the right decision. So yeah, best of luck with that, and thank you so much for supporting us.